We're excited to share that we've just completed a solar installation for a valued customer in Lathrop, California. Their home is now running on clean, renewable energy, saving them money while protecting the environment. CalPacific Power offers a range of services, including solar installations for energy savings, Tesla Powerwall 3 for reliable energy storage, EV charging stations for convenient home charging, and main panel upgrades to meet modern energy demands. Serving San Jose, Lathrop, and Fremont, California, we're committed to empowering our customers with sustainable, cost-effective, and future-ready energy solutions. Join our growing list of valued customers. Contact CalPacific Power today for your free consultation and take control of your energy future.